WKHS Stock Analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? Covering all that in this short brief 1 minute video, so watch till the end. So overviewing and looking at Workhorse Group, this thing is pumping like crazy, absolutely nuts. So if I get rid of this previous stuff, just get rid of that. This is what we're freaking looking at as the low, but since it's pumping, there's nothing stopping me from just hopefully doubling down on this. I know this is like the wick of the top and all that jazz, but bro, it's like I've seen this happen so many times. But the one big thing about that is that if I do not see a proper pull down and a double break, then there's just no way that I'm gonna look to take it further up. You know what I mean? So all I will do in the meantime is I'll just keep waiting, because if the rules are met, then I'm Gucci. Easy, I'm gonna look to take it further up. But if not, bro, then I guess it's gonna be about waiting, and we can skip this. There's far better opportunities in the market as well. So if you want to learn my blueprint that's taken me 5 years to come up with, and you can check out my whole YouTube channel for absolutely risk-free, click the first link in the description and get those 10k months formula, Discord plus Discord to 100 people already tried it.